Hello，大家好，我係 Mr. Manso，今日會為大家講呢就係 S1 嘅 Fifth Classroom Exercise 6A Basic Elements of Geometry。睇睇 notes 啦 ，notes 3啊。When AB and CD are pair of parallel lines, we can write AB slash CD。OK，咁即係今集呢就講點樣去處理平行線。我哋幾何學上高點樣表達平行線呢？其實就攞兩條線。咁就表達到 parallel 嘅意思啦。再睇埋咯，When EF and GH are a pair of perpendicular lines, we can write EF perpendicular to GH。好啦，只要一動一橫顯示到一直角物體咧，我哋就可以話佢係 perpendicular 垂直啦。好，中意寫筆記嘅同學記得寫翻平衡同埋垂直啦。好，睇睇 example 4。Refer to the figure， 即係及下幅圖啦。Name the line segment which satisfy each of the following condition。睇睇嗰啲 line segment， 睇啲線段啦。譬如話 parallel to BC 嘅，平行於 BC 嘅，呢個世界邊條線係平行於 BC 呢？咁你睇啦，原來呢，我睇到有箭嘴出現呢，大家都係一個箭嘴啦，咁啲對應該係平行線嚟嘅。咁呢 satisfy 呢，即係話滿足嘅意思啦。OK。each of the following condition 即係條件啦。而家 A 嗰 part 咧就係 parallel， 就係個條件嚟嘅。咁到底邊條線係 parallel BC 呢？咁當然就會係 DE 啦。DE 同 BC 係 parallel 嘅。OK，part B 啦 ，parallel to CD 嘅邊條線係 parallel to CD？ 我哋要睇喎，大家都有雙箭嘴喎，咁俾我哋容易適應到喎。咁當然係 AF parallel to CD 啦。好啦，最尾 part C 啦 ，perpendicular to FE 喺邊度呢 ？FE 喺度，咁邊條線係 perpendicular to 佢呢？冇錯啦，就會係 AF 啦，因為有直角就係垂直啦。咁睇翻個答案啦，大家睇，咦，點解咁得意嘅 AF 會出現兩次嘅？睇下點解咯喎。因為 AF 呢條線呢同時間係雙箭嘴，咁所以呢，佢就平行於 CD。咁亦都呢，佢係牽涉到隻直角，所以呢，佢就係 perpendicular to EF。OK，好，到你做啦，請你 pause drive， 然之後我哋翻嚟一齊對答案啦。好，多謝大家參與啦。Instant drill 4 in the figure AB perpendicular to BC, BA perpendicular to DA, and AD parallel to BC. Indicates the parallel lines and the perpendicular lines with suitable symbols。好，睇睇啦 ，AP 同埋 BC 咁我都用藍色筆去 highlight 咗啦。咁嘅話呢，我哋就話啦，佢 perpendicular 呢，我哋點樣去 symbol 佢呢？就會係用翻直角就搞掂㗎啦。OK，咁而家我都寫翻低晒啲重要嘅字啦，譬如 indicate 就係指示啦。OK，the parallel lines and the perpendicular lines with suitable 即係適當啦 ，symbol 即係符號啦。咁而家我哋用直角去表達咗呢，就係 AB perpendicular to BC。好啦，跟住到第二件事啦，就係 BA perpendicular to DA。好，咁我今次呢，就用咗紅筆去 highlight 嘅，咁俾你睇清楚啲啦。highlight 咗呢就係 BA 同埋呢個 AD 啦，或者呢條線讀做 DA 都得嘅。OK，咁點樣去 indicate 呢？我哋就只需要畫翻隻直角就搞掂㗎啦。好，最尾我哋就要 indicate 埋呢個嘅 AD parallel to BC 啦。咁你見到我呢都嘗試用一對紫色嘅線呢去 highlight 咗 AB 同埋呢一個嘅BC 啦 ，AD 同埋 BC 喎。好啦，咁點樣 indicate 佢哋 parallel 呢？好簡單啫，我哋只需要畫翻個箭嘴符號，咁我哋就已經表達咗佢係 parallel 㗎啦。好，總結下呢一個 video 學咩啦？我哋就係學呢去表達parallel lines 同埋 perpendicular lines 嘅。parallel lines 即係講兩線平行啦，我哋會用啲箭嘴去表達啦。又或者 perpendicular lines 我哋用直角去表達。咁好多謝大家啦，拜拜。